Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called What is Task Lighting and Why is it Important in Kitchens? Let me shine a light on a secret that every master chef and home cook should know. Task lighting. Imagine you're preparing a feast, and instead of flailing under awkward shadows resembling a bad mystery flick, you're basking in crisp illumination, focused precisely where it's needed. That's the magic of task lighting, your culinary stage manager, ready to spotlight the main events. You see, task lighting is specifically designed to light up those dark corners and countertops where the magic happens. Forget overhead glows that cast shadows at the very moment you're trying to slice precisely. This is targeted lighting to ensure that every chop, stir, and sauté is performed with accuracy. It's like having a personal sidekick illuminating the important bits. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. In the kitchen, we're talking under-cabinet lighting that adds brilliance to your prep surfaces and task areas. You won't mistake sugar for salt or accidentally send a measuring spoon flying. Everything's in clear view. And let's not ignore contractor red flags, we need to talk. Ensuring these fixtures are installed by someone who knows the nuances of electrical installations is just as essential as the style itself. Imagine reaching for that cherished spice on the third shelf or deftly whisking up a culinary masterpiece under perfect lighting. Task lighting isn't just about making your kitchen more functional. It's about sublimating the experience into one you'll relive joyfully with each use. And while white, bright LEDs are often the hero of this tale, how about a little dimmer control for when you're hosting? Subtle tweaks let you shift from a bustling kitchen to an intimate culinary performance seamlessly. Let's not overlook the aesthetics. Task lighting adds layers to your kitchen. Under-cabinet lights can double as accent lighting, casting a warm glow that showcases your backsplash and complements your cabinetry. There's something innately welcoming about a well-lit kitchen. It beckons for a little chat over coffee or a gathering around the island. So, culinary enthusiasts and renovation dreamers, task lighting isn't just a feature. It's a must-have for blending utility with style. A well-lit kitchen is the foundation of sincere home cooking and delightful entertaining, transforming every meal prep into a celebration. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.